Hello, I'm in a 2012 GMC Acadia, and today I'm going to show you how to check your oil level. So first open the hood, and then while the vehicle's off, you'll find your dipstick here. You'll pull all the way out, wipe it clean with a good rag or paper towel, stick all the way back in, and then pull it all the way back out. And then at this point, you see these little grid marks. Towards the left is your full, and then towards the right is your low or empty. So you want it pretty close to the left for your full on those where those grid lines are. Let's say it is low. Stick this back in, and then this cap here is what we'll remove to add the new oil. So make sure you're using the right type of oil, as well as ideally the same synthetic conventional brand you've been using. Better not to mix and match if you can help it. But you'll just unscrew this, and with a funnel or straight from your quart jug, fill as needed. Try not to overfill if you can as well. But when you're done with that, screw this back on nice and tight, and then I'd start the motor for like 5 seconds or so to circulate the new oil, and then turn it off, and then repeat the same process we did in the beginning with this dipstick to see if we're full or not yet. And then all this you should do in place of your regular oil changes, which typically, depending on type of oil, age of the motor, things like that, you do between 3,000 to 8,000 miles or so. And then you do that by putting the vehicle on a slight lift to get underneath of the oil pan. You pull the oil plug to drain all the old oil out, replace any filters as needed, screw the cap back on, and then at that point, from here you'd add the recommended amount of oil to add to your particular motor. Screw this back on nice and tight, and then start the motor again for 5 seconds or so to circulate the new oil. Turn it off, and then same process in the very beginning, again with this dipstick, and then hopefully you're good to go. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.